So here's a quick overview or like a quick look of some of the largest cast iron cookwares. And this one, a little really tiny one, it's a 3.5 inch. I bought this one just to be able to hold some spoons after cooking. I leave it on the side of the oven and just rest the spoons over there. So it's like a spoon rest. And the 6 inch is great for frying eggs and some very tiny dishes, or maybe even good for baking some stuff. But I mainly bought this one to just fry eggs in the morning. It's all made in USA. Of course, it came with a little tag that says made in the USA. Same with a little tiny one as well. And before that, we already own the 12.5 inch frying pan. And this is very utilitarian, like general purpose, everything you can cook. On the regular cookware, you can cook over here. The only thing to take note is something might be sticky when you're cooking with the cast iron stuff. So to counter that, sometimes you have to use more oil than needed. So for those situations, we still use the non-stick frying pans. But for the rest, the cast iron stuff really works well. It retains heat extremely well. And because it's cast iron, so you'll never have a problem with iron deficiency because it slowly releases the irons into the dish that you're gonna cook. And over here, unboxed, this is a new thing for me. I think it's a 2-quart large dish. I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna take a look. And I bought this one so we can make small batch soups for the dinner. Or my wife, she's the main cook. Let's see. And I got all those on Amazon. Very affordable. The 6-inch, 6.5 inch and 3.5 inch each. This one I think is $4 something, and this one is like $6 or $7. The add-on item, so that means if you spend $25 and up and you have a Prime membership, you'll be able to get those shipped for free, which is excellent. And that's the reason I bought this one, because I think this is $20-some. So let's open it up and check it out. So here it is, very cute little pan, or pot, I would say, and it's 2-quart. Interestingly, it have those little ridges for if you're cooking some soups. The steam goes up and then it goes down from those ridges, so it evenly distributes the steam or the water drops back onto the dish that you're cooking. Very nice design, and it's similar with some of the stout that we have. So here's the stout, and this is one of those their design. Okay, so again, I think all those dishes are pre-seasoned. There's a shiny like sheen on it. It's their pre-seasoning. I'm not sure how durable it is because for the one that we had, the seasoning had worn off. So you can see there are some iron that's actually just exposed right over there. But it really doesn't matter. It doesn't affect your cooking at all. It's just not gonna look as shiny as the original pre-seasoned coating material that they used. So those are also pre-seasoned. It's slightly shiny. Once you use it, it's not gonna be shiny anymore. And take a look at the side of the pot. Very nice. The lid is super heavy, which helps to retain the steams inside so it doesn't escape. And it fits very nicely. It's very well casted. I know there are some cheaper versions that doesn't work well because the casting, the top of the lid doesn't even match the bottom, but with the large, we haven't had that problem. So in general, I mean, in conclusion, I would say large cookware, get their cast iron non-enameled things if you need such things for your cooking. But if you need enameled cookwares, I would highly suggest get a stout, which have much better enamel coatings on them, and they shouldn't chip as easily as the large enameled things, because I did a review a few months back comparing the different enameled cookwares, and the best one we had is the stout one, and it lasts pretty long, and the coating is excellent. Okay, so if you don't need the enamel coating, this is the way to go. It's super affordable and it's super durable. It's gonna last you for centuries to come. I'm pretty sure. But there you have it. This wraps up this little quick overview. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And otherwise, thank you so much for watching. So you know what? The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this little 2-quart to actually bake some bread. And I'm gonna update this video after I finish baking, and we'll see how the end result comes out.